take a fresh look. Living outdoors with its beautiful beaches and skies all year round, a place where the sun always shines. Magical beauty of the wildflowers I found. Don't have to travel to take in the colors around. Rolling hills and rivers that run right through heart of the city. It's an amazing view. Crayfish straight from the ocean and onto your plate. Tasting the flavors and having a drink with your mate. It doesn't matter if you work or play. Come for a visit, you want to stay. The city's turned a page and it's here's the people. Geraldton's my home, come and take a fresh look. Culture and history make this place so rich. Dive to the wreck back in time at the flick of a switch. See the indigenous art of the Yamachi. Lest we forget the Sydney's asleep in our sea. It doesn't matter if you work or play. Come for a visit, you want to stay. The city's turned a page and it's here's the people. Geraldton's my home, come and take a fresh look. Consistent summer winds that'll blow you away. Pristine waters a reef you use every day. A brightest island's oasis not far offshore. Amazing sunset right from your own front door. A great place to drop and anchor to stay. This place keeps growing bigger in every way. All walks of life are attracted to this vibrant place. Fast or slow, you can live life at your own pace. It doesn't matter if you work or play. Come for a visit, you want to stay. It's simply the place that you got to be. Having fun in the sand, the wind and the sea. It's such a look and it's beautiful play. Come for a look at its beautiful stay. Just take a look at its beautiful history for. Just take a look at its beautiful people. Just take a look at its beautiful people.